Tad ng irregularidad ang pagkakabigay ng prangkisa sa solar firm ni Batangas Representative Leandro Liviste. Iyan ang paratang ng dating mambabatas na si Lito Atienza. Isa si Atienza sa hindi bumotong pabor sa prangkisa para kay Liviste. Ang detalye sa Politico Update ni Attorney Karen Jimeno.
Tahasang inakusahan ng dating mambabatas na si Lito Atienza, si Batangas Congressman Leandro Liviste, ng paglabag sa prangkisa ng kanyang kumpanya, ang Solar para sa Bayan o SPBC. Sa At the Forefront ng Billionaire News Channel, sinabi niyang hindi dapat ibinenta ni Liviste ang kumpanya nang walang pahintulot sa Kongreso. Pero una nang nilinaw ni Liviste na ang isa pa niyang kumpanya na Solar Philippines ang kanyang ibinenta at hindi ang SPBC. Dagdag niya, walang prangkisa ang Solar Philippines.
Pinagmalaki pa ni Congressman Liviste. I sold a portion of the Solar para sa Bayan to some Korean interest, and the nation made billions of dollars.
Pero kung nagbenta po si Congressman Leandro Liviste to the Koreans, as you mentioned, hindi po ba na-violate yung provision that you put in as a condition of the franchise?
Grossly violated, Tony Carlos. That's why, as far as the law on the franchise of Liviste, wala nang validity yan. Because that's part of the law. The moment you sell a portion thereof, the franchise is automatically invalidated. Wala nang value yan.
Sinabi rin ni Atienza na pinagkakitaan lang ni Liviste ang nakuha niyang prangkisa at hindi naman nakinabang ang taong bayan.
He spent a lot of money. He had so much unlimited funds during the campaign. He won the election. Now he's a congressman, so he has already benefited out of that single paper action where billions of pesos were generated. For him, his corporation, and probably his family.
Inakusahan din ni Atienza ang ina ni Liviste na si Senador Loren Legarda ng paggamit sa kanyang impluwensya para mabigyan ng prangkisa ang kumpanya ng anak.
He was really earnestly working for the approval of the application of her son's Solar para sa Bayan. And she played a major role in that sense because without her support, the proposal of the young Liviste was a big joke.
Balak imbestigahan ng House Committee on Legislative Franchises ang prangkisa na ibinigay sa kumpanya ni Liviste. Sinabi ni Atienza na handa siyang tumistigo at ilabas ang kanyang nalalaman sa issue. Attorney Karen Jimeno, Billionaire News Channel.